こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 15 of JLPT N4. We are gonna learn adverb nakanaka in the case in the last part of the sentence is negative. The meaning is to be struggling to or it's not easy to do something. So always nakanaka in the last part of the verb in the negative. So it's so difficult to do something. I'm trying. So you must try to do something, but yet it's not easy to do this. Or it's so difficult. Also about the time, it means it takes lots of time to do something. So it takes time. Taxi doesn't come. In this case, it means we are waiting for taxi for so long, but still, no, I can't find any taxi. Taxi doesn't come. タクシーがなかなか来ませんね。タクシーがなかなか来ませんね。I live in Japan for 4 years. Yeah, already for 4 years. But my Japanese doesn't get improved. I tried, but not yet. For 4 years, we say 4年, not 4年 or 4年. We say 4年. The verb to live, 住みます. Someplace に住みます. But when I live here, but this is the state, then we must use 住んで, te form 住んでいます. Because this is the state. If I say 日本に住みます, it means I'm gonna live in Japan. To get improved, 上手になります. 上手, this is not adjective and it means skillful. And something が, because 上手 we use が, something が上手になります. To become skillful or to get improved. もう日本に4年住んでいます。もう日本に4年住んでいますが、日本語がなかなか上手になりません。もう日本に4年住んでいますが、なかなか日本語が上手になりません。I'm on a diet, but I'm struggling to slim down. ダイエットしているんですが、なかなか痩せません。ダイエットしているんですが、なかなか痩せません。I took a medicine, but fever doesn't go down. Fever, 熱 with this kanji. 熱 and this is also 熱い. It's hot when you touch. 熱い。熱が上がります。The fever goes up. 熱が下がります。Fever goes down. 薬を飲みました。が、なかなか熱が下がりません。薬を飲みましたが、なかなか熱が下がりません。The murderer can't be found easily, or it is taking lots of time to find a murderer. Criminal person, committer, or robber, murderer of the perp. 犯人 the verb to be found or to be discovered. Something が or someone が見つかります。The perpetrator was found. 犯人が見つかりました。なかなか犯人が見つかりません。なかなか犯人が見つかりません。No matter how much I apologize him, he doesn't forgive me. no matter how much or no matter how. In this case, we use いくら or どんなに and the verb ても the て form ても or でも. And you can watch my grammar video 134 of JLPT4 and I explained about this. The verb to apologize or to beg someone's pardon. 謝ります。謝ります。This is group 1. So the て form 謝って。た form 謝った。And ない form 謝らない。And dictionary form 謝る。The verb to forgive someone 許します。許します。So this is also group 1. Then the conjugation 許して、許した、許さない、許す。He forgives me. 許してくれます。He doesn't forgive me. 許してくれません。You can watch this structure in my grammar video 127, 128, and 129 of JLPT N5. いくら謝っても、いくら謝っても、なかなか許してくれません。いくら謝っても、なかなか許してくれません。We also use quite often the verb, this one, 可能動詞, potential verbs with this one, なかなか and negative. I'm struggling to get to sleep at night. In this case, the verb is 寝ます to go to sleep or to get sleep. 寝ます. This is group 2. So in the 可能動詞 potential verb, 寝られます. And I can't sleep. 寝られません。夜、なかなか寝られません。夜、なかなか寝られません。I'm struggling to get up early in the morning. The verb that we are going to use is 起きます to get up. 起きます. This key sound, but this is the irregular and second form, the second form of the verb. So 起きます. The second form, 可能動詞, we must add られ. So 起きられます. I can get up. 起きられません。I can't get up. 朝、なかなか早く起きられません。朝、なかなか早く起きられません。I'm studying kanjis. But I'm struggling to memorize them. To memorize, 覚えます. Oh, this is quite easy because with that ます, A sound, so group 2. So 可能動詞 potential verb, you must add られ. 覚えられます. I can memorize. 覚えられません. I can't memorize. 漢字を勉強しているんですが、勉強しているんですが、なかなか覚えられません。漢字を勉強しているんですが、なかなか覚えられません。The work is very busy, so it's not easy to go on a trip. 行きます the verb to go and potential verb 可能動詞 as 行きます this is group 1 so 行き this key must be the sound of A so 行けます行けます I can go 行けません I can't go busy 忙しい忙しい E adjective but when I say 忙しくて with that Eくて忙しくて this is the cause it's because I'm busy 忙しくて and the last part of the sentence 忙しくて this is the cause causal 仕事が 忙しくて、仕事が忙しくて、なかなか旅行に行けません。あ、仕事が忙しくて、なかなか旅行に行けません。Today we learned the adverb なかなか and the last part is the negative. なかなか and negative. But this is going to be the first part of なかなか. Because in the next grammar video, I'm going to explain なかなか, but here, affirmative. Now a quiz time with 4 translations into Japanese. In all the sentences, you must use なかなか and the last part is the negative sentence. 1番目 I can't shake off my cold. I can't get over my cold. I'm going to help you with some words. 風邪 This is a cold, a common cold. To recover, to get cured. 治ります something が治ります。2番目 No matter how much I explain it, I can't be understood. I'm gonna help you with the words. To explain 説明します The verb to understand わかります But someone understands me わかってくれます。Someone doesn't understand me わかってくれません。3番目 I have something that I wanna show to my president of the company. But I can't see him. I'm struggling to see him. The verb to show someone something 見せます。4番目最後です。I'm saving money, but I'm struggling to buy a new car. It's not easy at all. The car expensive also. It's quite difficult. The verb to save money. 貯金します。We use this adverb なかなか and negative sentence in the end. It means I'm trying to do something, but it's quite hard. It's not easy at all. I'm struggling to do something because it's so hard. This is なかなか and the last part is negative. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn Japanese with me. If you can help me, please share my videos with your friends. Please. いかがでしたか？今日は副詞のなかなか、そして一番最後が否定形、否定文になるこういう表現を勉強しました。意味は、簡単にはできない、またはこれをするにはものすごく時間がかかる、難しいという、そういう意味です。今回のビデオはなかなかのパート1です。でもパート2では最後が否定形じゃない、これが否定形じゃない時のことを勉強します。このように私のチャンネルでは皆さんが日本語を勉強するときに少しでも役に立つように詳しく優しく説明していっています。ですからぜひ応援してくださいね。このビデオがいいなと思ってくださったらぜひいいねボタンとそしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。できたら私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたら本当に嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあまたね。